Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix or treat a pal that has weakened in Palworld. Now, weakened status is something that pretty much just comes from random events, like not having the right enough space for your pals to take a nap like this guy, or just it's RNG pretty much. So how do you treat weakened the weakened status in Palworld? Well, you need one of these. You need high grade medical supplies. So as you can see, we have some. Let's take that out. Now, how do you get this? There are two ways to get this. The first one is if you press tab and go to your technology tree, you need to reach level 12 so that you could build and unlock medieval medicine workbench. And once you have that, you could start making them. So as you can see here, I am late game, so I have an electric one. So you press that. As you can see, it is available, and you need 5 ingots, 5 horns, and 2 bone to create 1 high-grade medical supply. So that's 1. The other way to get this is through the wandering trader or wandering merchant. So how do you do this? Just go to the small settlement. Let's press yes. Let's travel there. This settlement is very early on in the game, so around level 5 or 10, you could start. You could just start unlocking this area, and so that you could have your waypoint unlocked so you could fast travel. So as you can see here, wandering merchant, press F and click buy. And as you can see, it is available. It's very expensive, especially early game. It is 3,000 gold. So those are the two ways you can do this. Now, how do you use it? So for example, you have a pal that has weakened. You need to put them in your party. So as you can see, all of my pals are healthy. For example, my jet dragon has weakened. So how do I treat it? It's very easy. Just click on this, right click, and then just choose the pal that has weakened and just click on it. And as you can see, nothing is here. But for example, jet dragon has weakened. Click on jet dragon and it would instantly cure weakened status. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.